Hello students, welcome again Gurukul Online Learning Network. Me Abed Ali Khan. Today again I will discuss with you about connecting triangle. As you have seen that I have already written on the board. And another topics I will discuss about symmetry. So these two topics really it's very important in O-levels geometry. So let me just I'm giving you a normal idea about symmetry is that if we discuss about the symmetry, then there is a line symmetry and rotational symmetry, which you will gonna find it in my after sometimes later. Okay. So first I will discuss with you about the connecting triangle. So in connecting triangle means that I will solve two triangle problems in one diagram, and that's what I can show you while drawing. Okay. So look it carefully. So in connecting triangle problem, suppose if I draw a triangle, like suppose right angle triangle, as I've discussed in my last lecture, you know, that this is a 90-degree right angle triangle, and connecting triangle means that I have drawn here another line. So if you see it carefully that this is one triangle and another one is the bigger triangle. So inside it there is a small triangle and outside is the bigger triangle. So it will be easier for you if I label them. So let me give the name the sides A, B, and this one may be C and this one as D. So you see that there are two triangle problems. So if I ask you to find about the 90-degree opposite side, as I said you, about hypotenuse, okay? So the two sides, I can consider this one as 3 if you are okay with this, and some of the sides I've given. So you see that if I consider this a right angle triangle, so there are two sides are there, the hypotenuse. 7 is also hypotenuse and x is also hypotenuse. But 7 is for that the small triangle ABC. Now it will be easier for you to understand. And the bigger triangle is ABD. It's clearly written over here. So here my question is that to you, you have to find x here. So to find x, you see that x is the side of a bigger triangle. So I will consider the bigger triangle to find x. But there is only one side is given here, AC and AD. If I make you clear from that if I can divide this AD, the biggest side, into two parts, AC plus CD. Okay, AC plus CD. This combined, it makes AD. So what is AC value? It's here, 3, and CD value is here, 3. So if I consider AD, then it's coming, you know, 6. You can give the units here. If you want the 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, it means that AD length is 6 centimeter. So I need to find AB2 here, because if I need to find X, the bigger triangle ADB, then I know one side, what I have shown you, but there is another side is missing, that is AB. So regarding Pythagoras formula, if you see my previous lectures, previous episodes, so you can come up to know about the Pythagoras rule. So today I will not discuss about it, okay? So how to find AB, because I need to find it. I hope you understand that I need to find this X. I have to find these two sides. So one side is given and AB is not given. So to find AB, what I have to do is that I have to consider this triangle ACB, which is very important, okay? So if I write here in triangle ABC, so this is the symbol is actually for a triangle ABC I'm considering to find the side AB. Again and again I am saying the thing is that so that students can understand actual things. So if I need to find AB, so you see that in triangle ABC, as I said that BC is a hypotenuse, so square of hypotenuse, that will be equal to the square of the opposite and plus square of the adjacent. That's what this formula I've shown you in my previous lectures. So I will just put the values. BC is here given 7, that is the square from the formula, and AC is given here 3, that is the square from the formula. So I need to find here AB. So AB, if I need to find here AB squared, let me to make you understand, I'm writing here so that it will be easier for you. So AB square, I can write here 7 square is 49 and minus this is actually 3, if I am not wrong. AC, yes, it is 3, so 3 square will be 9. So 49 minus 9 will be 40. Okay. So if I need to find this AB, so it's coming what? Root 40. because I have shown in my previous lecture that if I remove this square, then I have to put the another side root. Why? So you can get it in my last episodes if you see it carefully. So today I'm not discussing about it. So I'm writing here in a root way, AB equals to root 40. So by pressing the calculator, you can come up to know about it, that what will be its formula, what will be its value, root 40. So here I'm just writing here root 40 about sides AB. Now if I got AB, then I know now two sides, okay? Then I can easily find X. So if I consider the bigger triangle, because my question to you is that to find X here. Okay, so we're going to find X. So AB value was missing. So I've shown you that how to find the value AB considering the small triangle ABC. So for the bigger triangle to find X, because this X belongs to the bigger triangle sides. Okay, so if I want to find X, so I'm writing here directly X square. I hope you understand about the Pythagoras rule up to now. So I will not explain these things again and again. So hypotenuse square is equal to AD square plus AB square. So AD, it's coming what? 6. 6 square plus AB square means root 40. So this one is also, I'm writing the square from the formula Pythagoras rule. And here is the x square. So x square is equal to here 36 plus 40. Because root value is half, and if you make it square, so it will be cut off. Okay, I'm not showing you it separately. I hope you understand. So now it's coming what? Around 76 x. So x is coming here root 76. So you can find this formula by using your calculator, by press it about the root 76. So I'm not using here calculator, that's why I'm giving you your answer in a root form, okay? So if you want to put it into the decimal form, suppose it might come around 80 square is around 64, so 9 square is around 81, so it is less than 81, so it might come something like that, 8 point something you will get here. Okay, I hope so. So this is my first problem, was discussing with you about the connecting triangle. As I show you, ABD is a bigger triangle and ABC is a smaller triangle. So two connecting triangle. I will show you or two more connecting triangle problem if I can get time in this episode. Okay. Okay. So another connecting triangle problem, let me show you. It's connecting between two things, as I discussed with you in my previous lecture about the isosceles triangle. So I will try to make you understand how to solve in connecting triangle if it is coming with another logic with the isosceles triangle. Okay. So now you see that the sides here AB and BC. I have given a mark here, isn't it? It means that these two sides are equal. Okay. So if I name them, that this side is 3, and let me ask you to find these sides. It would be no problem regarding this. And I'm giving you another sides is 5. So you see that if you see it carefully, there is also two triangle. One is ABD, another one is ABC. So my main question to you is that how to find X here. This is my main question, okay? So to find X, I need to know these sides, I need to know these sides. If we don't know these two sides, AB and BC, then I cannot find X here. So first I need to find AB. Why? Because if I connecting with ABD is a triangle, so this two side value is given by which I can easily understand. So I can find this, the third sides, AB. So same way, the Pythagoras rule, I am not writing it again and again. In my first lecture, as far I remember, I have already said you that Pythagoras formula and this rule is the most popular formula and rule regarding all formulas in mathematics. So to find the length of the sides is very important. So hypotenuse square is equal to, this one you can consider as opposite or adjacent, but 90 degree always is opposite the hypotenuse. So that's why I'm writing here 5 square plus 3 square, and I don't know this side. So I will find here AB square, because this is the connecting side of this, the triangle. In other words, you can say that this is the side of the common side of the two triangle. So if you see that AB is also connecting with ABD and it is also connecting with ABC. So if I can find AB, I can work this triangle also with ABC. So here is coming what? 25, 9 plus AB square. So I can write here AB square is equal to 25 minus 9. That is, you are getting what? 16. So AB square. So here you can write AB root over 16. That's what you will get. AB equals to 4. Okay. So see the calculations. I hope it's right. 3 square means 9. 5 is equal to 25. So 25 minus 9 is 16. And 16, so to remove this square, our law is that I will put in my right hand side after the equal root over. So it's coming like AB equals to 4. Now if I'm writing here AB equals to 4, it means that BC is also equals to 4 if the student comes to know about the isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, there are two sides and two base angles are equal. So if these two sides are equal, if this is 4, then this is also will be 4. And that will be easier for me now to find x if you know this logic. So x square, again I'm writing 4 square plus 4 square. So it's coming what? 16 plus 16 and x square. So if you remove the square, I said you'll put the values of root as it is. Okay, so I'm keeping the answers now here in terms of root 32, but by the pressing calculator you can come up to know about the sides. Okay. So isosceles triangle here is very important. So these two sides are equal. If you know this rule or reason that isosceles triangle two sides are equal, then the student can easily understand. If this is 4, then this also will be 4. And only then they can solve x. Okay. So this is also another connecting triangle problem. So let me show you the another one. Okay. Okay. So two problem I have shown you so far. So another problem is about the connecting triangle. I'm showing you the bit tricky one. Actually in maths there is nothing tricky. The thing is that if you know the logic reason, if your concept is clear, then all maths will be easier for you. Say, let me say you very much frankly to you guys, okay? So that's why I'm putting more concentration to make your base and foundation must be very strong so that any problem you can solve it very easily. So here is also, you see that I have shown you the connecting triangle. So if I name it, suppose this one A, B, C, this one X and Y. Okay, so you see it carefully that A, B, C. It means that, ABC is a triangle, another one is XYB. So two triangle, if you see it carefully. ACB is one triangle, XYCB is another triangle. So here if I write here AC, so let me write here for you, AC equals to X, suppose it is given. We have to find X and OC. So you can connecting it with the BC or for AC. Okay, OC, suppose I'm connecting with, there is no letter about the OC, so I can name it in a different way. So AC is X here, okay? And BD or Y, that would be another problem. Okay, no problem. So here we'll find ACX, suppose this is X. And here I'm giving you the triangle, one side is here 2, okay? And the bigger side, AC. So AC I can give you suppose 4 and I ask you to find BC. Here we have to find BC. Okay, now it will be easier for you. So now you see that AC is the hypotenuse of this triangle and this total side is what? X plus 2 and we have to find here BC. So as we know the logic, square of AC is equal to two sides AB square plus BC square. So if I put here BC square, it means that to find it out BC square, I will write here AB square, or you can write minus AC square as you feel free. No problem on that. So I'm just putting the BC square here and AC square minus AB square. Okay. So I'm just putting this AB to my left hand side, that's a plus, will change to minus. So BC, if I need to find it out, then I write the value of AC, which is 4 square, minus AB, it's connecting, isn't it? So X plus 2, that's the value. So maybe this will come, you have to find it out, the x. In terms of x, you will get the value of BC. Okay? So if I gonna open it, is 16 minus, so a plus b whole square formula, here it comes for the first time to you. So a square plus twice ab plus b square. In this way, we used to expand the a plus b whole square formula. Okay? So here it's coming what? Here is x is a. So x square plus the formula you are getting 2. It's written here, from the formula you are getting 2, and a is x here and b is 2 and plus b square. So you can easily understand that this formula is connecting with it. Okay? So if you open the bracket, 16 minus x square plus 4x plus 4. And 16 plus 4 is what? 20 minus x square plus 4x, that is BC square. So if I remove the square, it comes with the root. As your answer is coming up with x, so I didn't discuss with you guys about the middle term, so keep your answer as it is. But if you come to know about how to solve the middle term, then again we're gonna sort it out in our next episodes. I hope so. Okay, so this is another problem I've shown you, the connecting the triangle. So if I put the sides here also, like, you know what, xy equals to 5, then you can easily find by with the same way. Okay, so if I consider the by here and xy here and xb here, so you know that xy square is a hypotenuse. Okay, and with the same way, by square plus bx square. So these all formulas are coming actually from the Pythagoras rule. Okay, so xy, ab and xy, if you see that, to find it out xy, by we can give here 5 square as it's given here, xy equals to 5, and by square, what we do not know, that what we need to find it out, and bx I can consider here 2, from the diagram it's written here. So it's coming what? by square equals to 25 minus 4. So let me write it from here to you, it will be easier to see. So it's coming 25 minus 4 equals to by square. So by equals to 21 root over. So here it comes, by. So I can write here by equals to 21. So I hope you understand about it, the problem, about the connecting triangle problem. So here is also ABC is one triangle, XYB is also another triangle. So our first task was to find BC from this triangle, and second task was to find BY from the another triangle. Okay, I hope you understand about this, the connecting problem. Okay, let me solve you another one to show you the things. So connecting triangle problem, actually I have solved 3 connecting triangle problem. So another one, let me show you. It's very interesting and very much easy. Suppose a length of wire. Here the question is given. You have gotten a length of wire, suppose 18 centimeter. Okay, and these two sides have given 3, and they ask you to find AB here. So my question to you is that you have to find AB. So there is no line actually. So this is the beginning of our geometry class. Then we have to draw some lines to understand the diagram properly if any line is missing. So as they ask me to find AB, so let me join this to AB by myself. So here you see that if I draw another line here, and if I name it like D, and if it is C, and if it is E. So now you see that AB, AE, CD, it comes up like a square because I have drawn a perpendicular line here. So if it is 3, then this is also will be 3, and this 3 is given here. So these 3 also the opposite sides of this side also will be 3. So if all sides are equal, then I can say that it is a square. So it will be easier for me to find AB. Okay. So total length of wire is 18 centimeter. So by doing these calculations, I can easily understand that this total wire length 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. And to make you understand, I'm writing here 3 because due to the constructions we come to know about it, the opposite sides of a square is equal. A square is a 4-sided figure. where all sides are equal. I will discuss it again in my next episode about the sum of the figures, okay? So if it is coming like 3 plus 3, 9, so we have to find here dB. So total length of a wire, if I draw it, okay? It's what? The total length of a wire is 8 centimeter. So 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So the remaining part will be 9. So you have to come up from the mathematics. Total length of the wire was 18 centimeter. So this is 3 plus 3 plus 3. 6 plus 3, 9. So remaining is 18 minus 9. So this length will be 9 centimeter. So to make you understand, I'm drawing this triangle separately. Just up to this part. AD, okay, AD and B. And let's name them 3. And I've come to know about 9 here, isn't it, by doing the calculation? So if I find this AB, X, which was our target, so again I'm writing it directly, like 9 square plus 3 square. So it's very easy, 81 plus 9, so that is X squared. So X is coming what? 81 plus 9 is 90. So here the root over it comes X squared equals to 90. So remove the square, it's roots 90. So I can write my now answer that AB is equal to root 90. So some of the answers I'm writing through the root again and again because I'm not using here calculator. So if you have the calculator, you can find out the values. Okay, as I said you, if it is 90, that means that 7 square is 41, 8 square 64, 9 square is 81. So it come up, you know what? With 9 something, you will get the answer. 9 point something will be your answer. Thank you so much, students, for seeing today's class. So it's very important about the connecting triangle. So in my next episode, you might get the another episode on symmetry. Okay. Thank you. Enjoy your time.